Hello, my name is George Lakaros, and I'm going to be talking about what I've learned so far in this semester. So I want to start off with team building, because when it comes to team building, you want to make sure you're setting goals. But of course, as a team, that way everyone's on the same page. You want to make sure you're aligned with the company's culture, because typically you want to be a duplicate of your boss the same way as you were the boss. You want your workers to be a duplicate of yourself. And so, second, I want to talk about networking. Now, when it comes to networking, it's important to follow up with those that you're adding to your network. Second, you want to be genuine with these individuals that you're meeting, and you can just have fun with it. Be bold, step out of your comfort zone, and get to really grow your net worth. And lastly, is position marketing. You want to make sure that you understand these companies are researching, doing research on the target market, placing these ads strategically in places where the target market is located. And that's going to be all. Thank you.